Alright guys, so I just got this package from my post office and it looks like this is a bunch of iPhone 11 Pro cases. So let's check them out and see what it looks like on my iPhone 7 Pro dummy phone right here. So this is the gold version. As you can notice on the bottom here, there's already a crack. Damn, that's too bad because usually I collect all this dummy phone for display. But anyways, let's go straight at it and see what kind of cases they sent out to us, and hopefully you guys like it and might consider purchasing it. So let's go dive in here, and it looks like all these cases are from i-Blason, and let's open this one up first and see what kind of case they sent out to us. All right, so they sent us the marble case design. It is a two-piece with a protection on the front. So let's open this baby up and show you guys what it looks like. So all you have to do is just place this like so and put the front cover. No, actually you go the other way around. So I'm gonna try to fast forward this, guys, so that it will be a much shorter video. Okay, and then you just slide it in there. So that's what it looks like with the case on. And as you can see, you do have access at the bottom port. On the side, it's covered. Your silent mode is exposed, and on the other side is covered. And of course, you've got plenty of elevation on the front, so you don't have to worry anything about breaking your front screen display. And along it comes with a tempered glass. Let me double, yes, it comes with a tempered glass in there. So you are pretty much fully covered, guys. Yeah. All right, so let's move on to the next case. There it is. Ooh, that looks nice, guys. The blue trim right there really makes the device stand out. And as you can see, you have plenty of protection right here. All rubber, guys. Rubber, and then tempered glass on the back and on the front. Okay, so all there, the bottom, fully covered, and same on the side. Okay, let's move on to the next case. So this one is just straight up black color, the same design and so forth, with a two-piece tempered glass on the front, rubber on the side, and there is a, what is that, bluish color outline on the inside here, which kind of makes the case look more interesting. And pretty much it's the same as those other two cases that I showed you so far, guys. So let's move on to the next one. So for the ladies out there, this is for you guys. If you're interested in this product, links will be down below, guys. Ooh, look at that. That looks nice. Beautiful case. All right. Let's move on. Nice. That looks really nice, guys. See that design right there? It kind of brings out a more different style than your usual clear and no design case. This one really, you know, showcase a different style of clear case, guys, which looks really nice if you do really want to showcase your device. So there you go. The back, bottom, the same thing, exposed, side, covered, exposed, and on the side as well, they are covered. And of course, you do have plenty of elevation on the front so that your front display doesn't get damaged. That's what it looks like with this case. That looks really, really nice, guys. If you want to stand out, you might want to consider this case. Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, so there you go. Very nice looking case once again. All right, and there you go, guys. Beautiful, beautiful case. Okay. Yeah, this one looks really, really nice. You've got that nice frost gray color design on the edge there where the camera is located. And by far, this is my favorite one so far, guys. Okay. Nice, nice. All right, so there you go. Nice looking case. Bottom, the same thing. Expose, covered, expose, and covered. And you do have your elevation and screen protection on the front, so nothing to worry about your front display, guys. That is the green color. Okay, beautiful, beautiful case. Okay, there you go. Looks nice. You got that nice, cool groove design there for your power button. And there you go. That's a nice looking case right there, guys. There you go. Nice looking case. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice, nice. Okay, plenty of elevation in the front. Plenty. There you have it. Very thick case, guys. Look at that protection you have on this. Okay, and then again, you could just clamp this on to your holder here, holder. And that's what it looks like. Or you could switch it like so. And there you go. The back here doesn't swivel. Okay, doesn't swivel. All right, so let's move on to the final case. Okay, that's what it looks like in blue color. And I forgot to mention, it does have a kickstand down below here. If I could even open this, there you go. So it's got a kickstand. If you do want to watch your videos or so on, you could pull out the kickstand and watch your videos. So that's pretty handy, guys. Pretty handy. And of course, you've got your holder here if you want to attach it to your belt or your backpack. So that's pretty much it, guys. A lot of cases to choose from. If there's anything that you are interested in with these cases, I will put a link in the description below where you can get them. And also probably I will be doing a giveaway. Maybe in a couple of weeks, I'll probably do a giveaway on these. To be honest, guys, this thing will be not useful for me because I'll be getting a different version. So there you have it. If you guys have any further questions, just leave me a comment down below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.